Telehealth is making it easier to see a doctor from your computer or smartphone at home. We went to the experts at Adventist Health Castle for advice on making the most of your appointment.
Telehealth made easy. We are talking to the pros today from Adventist Health Castle to help you if you need some medical expertise. So Tiffany and Kathy join me now to talk about this. And first off, I want to find out more about Castle Health Group and the connection with Adventist Health Group. Can you tell me about that, Tiffany?
Yeah, so Castle Health Group is a provider organization. We have 40 primary care providers, 100 specialists, and we work together with Adventist Health Castle to provide care for our community. We have seen a lot of success in regard to quality or patient-provider satisfaction, and a lot of that success is due to our partnership with Adventist Health Castle. And the big thing about our partnership with Adventist Health Castle is the comfort in knowing that our providers sending anybody to Adventist Health Castle, that they get the best care that they possibly can receive.
Overall, what is it that you want people to know about the telehealth option?
So with this pandemic, we've all kind of figured out that everybody's at home, and sometimes there's fear of coming out to receive care that you may possibly need. So the big thing about telehealth and the most comforting thing about telehealth is that you can receive medical care from where you're at and within the comfort of your own home. So providers are able to treat you and talk to you over the phone, which makes it a lot easier than having to kind of go out and seek care your normal old-fashioned way. But I think the other thing that we really want everybody to know is that it's easy to kind of get on platforms, and we have a lot of instructions that we'll be kind of going over more with Kathy Young.
Well, since you bring up Kathy, let's bring in Kathy Young now to find out how exactly this works. Can you talk about that, Kathy?
Sure. So think about your virtual visit similar to going to the doctor's office. The only difference is that you're at home and your provider is in a different location. And what you'll need to have your visit is a computer with a camera or a smartphone. And you want to make sure that your technology is ready, meaning that your devices are fully charged. You want to make sure you have a reliable internet connection. You want to make sure that you're seated in a comfortable place and that the camera gives a clear view of you so the provider can see you. And then make sure you have a paper and pen handy so you can take notes. And then during the call, you just want to be aware of, you want to speak clearly. You want to make sure you have good lighting and just answer the provider's questions as clearly as you can and to the point.
Would you say there are maybe 3 user-friendly sites that you would recommend?
Yes, especially during this time, the most easiest platforms to use and that are the most user-friendly would be FaceTime, Google Duo, and Zoom. And we have a website where we have instructions for the patients on how to use that if they're not sure how to use it. So they can go to our website to learn about that. And then if the providers are using specific platforms, they will let you know which ones they use, and then your healthcare providers provide their own platforms for telehealth as well.
What if people don't have access to a device? Is there an opportunity for them to take advantage of telehealth?
So yes, we do know that some people face these issues of not being able to have access to tablets or computers. So all of our providers do telemedicine, and by that we mean you can talk to your doctor just over the phone as long as you have a telephone. We have some electronic medical records that offer portal services. That is also really user-friendly. And then there's the way of just being able to call your doctor's office and go in for a visit. We understand that it can be challenging to get onto some technology at times, but we are able to say confidently that our doctors have put in the safety precautions needed to keep patients safe.
All right, well, we thank you so much for giving us a quick look-see on how it works, and you can find all the information on KHON2.com.
This is such a great option, obviously, that came about and really emerged with the pandemic, but it is making it easier for people to get those questions answered and also not to have to clog up the ER and be concerned about being exposed to any type of coronavirus threat there. So thank you to our friends at Castle. We'll post that again on KHON2.com.